Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have come up with a very interesting topic for you guys, that is effective ways to manage work-life balance. Most people in this era are complaining we're not getting enough time to pursue our ambitions, our hobbies, because they're too occupied in their work life. So it's very important these days to maintain a healthy work-life balance, to have a good quality of life. Hence, I have come up with 9 effective ways to maintain work-life balance. I hope you'll like it. Tip number one. Tip number one is to write down what all we need to do in a day, in a week, bi-weekly or monthly, and then set a priority to each of the tasks. So we definitely know what is the priority, and based on the priority we can definitely take up what needs to be taken up first. Also set a urgency on the items. So what usually happens is, like, if something is urgent, definitely I know that that has to be the hash number one thing that I need to do in a day or a week, so to take that up first. If something is that can be pushed for later, definitely do that. Tip number two is to delegate your tasks to other people. So if we try to do everything on our own, definitely it's going to be a burden. So we need to identify things that can be delegated to other people, so that we get more time to do more productive things in the day. Tip number 3, give some time to yourself. A person who is content from within leads a really happy family life, is a very happy employee, is a very happy entrepreneur. So definitely when one is content with themselves, they're going to give a better quality of life to others as well. So it's very important to give some time to yourself. If you're not getting any time, just try to wake up 10 minutes earlier than others, so that you get that 10 minutes for yourself, to decide your priority and let yourself be the priority for at least those 10 minutes. Tip number 4. Tip number 4 is to set clear cut boundaries between your work time and your family time. Because of the lockdown, definitely at this moment, I feel the work life boundaries have been a bit more muddled, but it's very important to set clear boundaries, so that you're not mixing your work time with your family time and your family time with your work time, so that when what needs attention is given the desired attention. Tip number 5. Tip number 5 is to use your vacation time constructively. A person who takes regular vacations at given intervals is always fueled up with more energy to be looking forward to your life and your work as well. So the productivity and efficiency of such people is always higher. So it's very important to take your vacations and use it constructively to build your own identity. Tip number 6. Perfection is a myth. When we try to do too much in a day or in a week, it just adds up to our stress, which is not leading us nowhere. So it is better to just do your best of whatever you can. Do not try to become a perfectionist. Point number 7 is to meditate and reflect. When we hold on to the thoughts for way too long, it definitely adds up to our anxiety and pressure. So it's very important to just meditate, reflect, and remove those thoughts from your mind and keep it aside for at least some time, so that you can definitely, when you are out of it, you are fresh, rejuvenated, so that you look forward to your life. Tip number 8, limit your social media time to not more than half an hour in a day. We tend to be wasting a lot of time on social media until you are earning money from it. Do not waste a lot of time on your social media, and use it more constructively in your life to build your life from there. Tip number 9, the most important one. Big and drastic changes usually tend to fail like crash diets. So it's very important to move little by little but consistently, so that you actually build a life that you want to build. Thank you guys. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.